Hi everyone, Greg here. Now today it's lentil soup day. I do love my lentils because they're just really good for you and they taste fantastic and they do pad out a meal really well. They're a little bit, hippie-ish and vegetarian, but that's not what this meal's going to be about. I've got some sausage here, specifically chorizo, that I'm going to be using to really boost the meat up of this delicious soup. Anyway, let me show you what else I'm using in this recipe. So what I'm using in this lentil soup is some chorizos, a can of tomatoes, some thyme. I've diced up an onion, a capsicum, some carrot, garlic. I'll add a few bits of chili because why not? And I've got a litre of chicken stock. So that's what I'm using. I'll leave a list of everything I'm using down below in the show more bar. Anyway, let's start cooking. Alright, so for starters, what we need to do is get these chorizos out, and I'm going to split down the center of them, and we want to start cooking those. So I'm using a nice big thing today. I'll add some olive oil in, or any other oil, and we want to squeeze the sausage out of its casing. Good job. Reminds me of something that I did this morning. Cut it out, Greg. Now you don't really need to do this. I just find it a whole lot easier and a little bit tastier as well. So we just need to brown this off whilst breaking it into smaller pieces. Alright, well those chorizos look nicely cooked. So what I'll do is I'll just remove them, stick them in a bowl. Now, what most people will want you to do is remove that chorizo fat, but you know what? That's the best part of it. So I'm going to leave it in. Drain the fat back in. Now let's add all the veggies in. So I've got the capsicum, onion, carrot. Try it all in at once. Now I've even got some chilies here, which I'll just chuck in whole. I'll chuck that in. That'll add some nice heat to this dish. And now we just need to cook this until the onions turn soft. Oh, let's not forget the thyme. If you got the thyme, I got the place. You just need a sprig of thyme. Is it a sprig? It is now. Alright, so now once those onions are tender, let's reintroduce the meat. Meat, vegetables. Vegetables, meat. Chuck that in. Now I've got about a cup's worth of the lentils which I've washed, so we'll add those in. I've got 1 litre of chicken stock here. Oh, and let's not forget the can of tomatoes too. These are crushed ones, hopefully. Oh, God, what's this made out of? Titanium? Oh. Add that in there too. Okay, let's mix that all through. And we'll bring this to the boil. And once it's brought to the boil, we'll reduce it to a simmer and then let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And then it'll be ready. How easy is that? Anyway, once it's ready, you know what time it is. It's time to tuck on into the chorizo and lentil with vegetables and lots of other things which there aren't really of because it's such a simple soup. Taste test. Alright, well, time's up. Let's take a look. Oh, that looks hearty. Oh yeah, look at that. Fantastic. Alright, well let's plate some up. Oh man. Well that looks nice, but you know what would make it look even better? Some green stuff on top. Alright, well you could crack some pepper on top, but I haven't got time for that. I'm fanging. So let's dive in. That's delicious! There you go, simple, delicious chorizo and lentil soup. A great one for the cooler weather, or just if you feel like something healthy. It's full of nice chorizo sausage. Anyway, that's all today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time I cook something.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where today I made a simple, delicious chorizo and lentil soup. Not only is it good for you, but it'll help you make your poop in it.